Being able to make a top quality resume is vital. The pandemic has changed lives in many ways, but submitting a resume with a cover letter remains the best way to land your dream job. Yes, we are here to discuss step by step how to create a resume. So that will include like formatting, styling, layout, header, summary, objective, tweaking as per the position that you're applying for, and using numbers and action verbs, adding skills, which is usual, education elements, and finally the proofreading of your application. So let's get into it. Number one, formatting and styling. Start your resume by opening a new document like MS Word. Set half to 1 inch of margin on all the sides. Select professional fonts such as Arial. Adjust the font size between 10 to 12 points. Now the set formatting is a default one in MS Word. So don't change anything if you are starting with a new document. If it's on the existing document, please check on the instructions I just provided. Number two, adding style to your resume. This includes the color of your resume, the font of your pick, whether to use sidebars or how you can set up your headers. So if the position is for law, finance or politics, stick to the traditional resume style. So traditional resumes will have no graphics, and they use dark colors like navy blue or burgundy, which are most appropriate. So if the job is for a creative industry like tech or marketing, use modern resume designs which has bright colors, which includes sans serif fonts and graphic details like visual skills, and the sidebars. So let's move on to the resume layout. Number three is the layout. Now there are three main layouts. Number one, chronological resume layout, functional resume, and third one is the combination of both, which is otherwise called as the hybrid resume. If you are starting your career and have a consistent work history within a single industry and have no employment gaps, then choose chronological resume. The hiring manager wants to see how your career has progressed over time. If you want to draw attention away from your work history, then this format will be useful. That's the functional format. Like if you have a large employment gaps or if you want a career change, this format will direct the hiring manager to focus on relevant skills rather than your job experience. Number three is the combination resume, otherwise known as the hybrid resume, which includes long skills with categories similar to the functional resume. So they also have detailed work experience. So this format is designed for candidates with a lot of experience and well-developed skill sets. Now, let's move on to resume header. So your resume should feature an eye-catching resume header at the top of the page to highlight your contact information for the hiring manager. So this could include your name, your email ID, and your phone number. Number four, start with a summary or an objective. Now, if it's a summary, it should include your experience, your skills, and your qualifications at the very top of your resume, preferably in a bullet points. Now, if you're going to update your objectives, mostly for the freshers, right? So focus on the professional goals and career paths that matches the company goals, the job that you're applying. Number five, tweak as per the position that you're applying for. Now this is really important. So we would be applying to 3-4 positions at a time. So do not use the same resume that you have created. Instead, tweak as per the position. So highlight on the experience as per the role that you're applying for. Add keywords that is relevant to the job. This will help you to get through the application tracking system, which is otherwise called as the ATS. ATS is a software that automatically scans your resume for the skills related to keywords to see if you are qualified for the role that you're applying. So if the software doesn't find the keywords, then it will automatically reject your application before even the hiring manager even gets to see it. Number six, use number and action verbs throughout your resume. Start with a strong resume action verb. Action verbs catch the hiring manager's eye and make you seem proactive and responsible. So start all your bullet points with an action verb. Numbers. Numbers provide context to your accomplishments and shows hiring manager what you can achieve for their company if you're hired. Number seven, showcase your skills. Your skills should be proactively displayed for a quick glance, like a hard and the soft skills. Now, hard skills are like the accounting tools, your foreign language, your data presentation, your reporting stuff, right? And if it's a soft skills, it relates to your personality and simply dealing with people at work, like logical reasoning, commitment, teamwork, decision making, and stress management, etc. Now, don't limit your skills. Okay, expand on each skill. Like, for example, if you are good at any foreign language, then try to link your skill to an experience in, as like what you did in your previous job. In case if you are very good at German and you have spoken in German to a customer and you have served him in that particular language, try to put it as a best example and showcase your skill. So, soft skills should be demonstrated with examples. Another technique is to measure or rate your skill levels, like you are a beginner or a proficient or an expert. Yeah, so you could you can list all the skills and then draw a column and then say whether you're a beginner at this skill, whether you're a proficient or an expert. Number 8, education element. Now, education normally comes after your work experience, but you can place it first if you do not have experience. So start with the highest degree and then the relevant coursework. Number 9, additional relevant sections like hobbies and interest, certifications, awards, publications, etc. Now, add only if it is relevant to the job or to cover the space. So you can also add volunteering work. It is a good addition if you lack work experience. Number 10, proofread your application. Now, spend some time to read through it a couple of times. Share it with your friends or relatives to read through it. Now, you can also use online tools to check the grammar or any spelling mistakes. Use tools like MS Word Check, Hemingway, Grammarly, etc. Now, finally, save your resume as a PDF and use it when required. Thanks for watching. That's my insight for today. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.